Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing two hauls. The first one is local in my neighborhood. Someone had posted free items and I went to check it out and found some crafting goodies. And the second one is from Savers. It's like a Goodwill store. They had their items for 50% off today. Let's go through what I picked up for free local in my neighborhood. The first thing is she had these glue sticks. Happy to add glue sticks to my stash. Some of the pearl bling. These rolls of ribbon. We have the white, the red, which has not been opened, this glittered red, and this pink. This pack of stickers for Las Vegas. All of this brand new embroidery thread in a variety of colors. This bag of mini beads. This cardstock paper pad, and it's the solids. She had a variety of envelopes. We have some of the smaller size, and then she had these really nice large ones, and they have the big fold up top. I thought these would make great envelope flip books. We have the big ones and then these smaller ones, and I do plan on sharing some of these in Happy Mail. She also had these clear sleeves and just some plain computer paper. I will probably leave this in my craft room. This is what I use when I use glitter and flocking. I just fold it and then I can throw it away when I'm done using it. She also had this great stack of actual cardstock, the nice thick kind, in a variety of colors. Then this box of beads. I don't know if I would use these kinds of beads. I have melted these before to make the flat pony beads. And then there's also some large safety pins. That was a great haul for free. She was moving out of state. She wasn't taking anything with her. Instead of throwing everything in the trash, she offered it to anyone that was interested. And that is a great way to recycle items. So I'm happy to be adding this stuff to my collection, and hopefully I will be able to put it to good use. I went to Savers. They are like a Goodwill. The first item is this. It looks like some Halloween goodies. It was $4.49, so $2.25 for that. Let's dig in and see what's inside. All right, we have these Halloween ribbons. These are cute. These ones are really cute. That's nice and wide ribbon. We have these glitter puffy stickers, 2008. We have these K & Company witch ones, and I have the ephemera that matches these. That's pretty cool. And we have, it looks like some Hobby Lobby ones. These are from fall. And 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of those. So I'll definitely be sharing those in Happy Mail. And then, oh wow, I haven't seen Dazzles in a really long time. This used to be a sticker company. I don't think they're in business anymore. These are from 2010. These are super fun. We have this set. We have the skeleton and another one of these. And we have the haunting. And we have that one. That was a great score for $2.25 on those. We have this set of stamps. They were $2. Let's take a look. We have a You're Invited stamp, and I'm pretty sure I have this one already. I pretty much got it for this one. I love how big this one is. It is just over 5 1/4 by 3 3/4. That's perfect card base size. You could just stamp this, stamp a little Merry Christmas, and you are done. It's so pretty. I love it. It's really nice. Worth it for the $2 for both of those. We have this set, $2.99, so these were $1.50. Okay, these aren't a set that go together, but we have this angel. She's so cute. This is going to cut so nicely on my Scan and Cut. This Merry Christmas. We have these trees. I might actually have these. I will have to look, but I'm pretty sure that I already do. If I do, I will pass them along. The To and the From. And we have the candy cane. That was a great deal for $1.50 for all of those stamps. And I picked up this Winnie the Pooh golden book. This one is from 1965. I decided to add this to my stash. I'm just going to take this book apart and try and create a Winnie the Pooh junk journal with it. This was 75 cents. We have these stamps. These were $1.50. The first one we have is this really nice big one. Stampin' Up from 1995. That's amazing. I love it. This will make a great card front. You could send flat mail with this, which is what I like to do when I'm sending out dewdrops. So pretty. And then we have Joy. This doesn't look like it's from the Stampin' Up set. We have this one. Look at the gingerbread man. This is from 1998. We have this little apple. That is from 1996. That's tiny. That was a great score as well. I picked this package up. It was $1.50. And these are the Snap. This is the Baby Boy 3x4 Snap cards. So they're just like Project Life cards, but a different brand. Those are all the ones that you get in there. They're so cute. These are great for my albums. We have this Sweet Baby Girl, and I actually think I have the one that's for the boy on this one. These are so fun, and I love how muted this tone is. This is what's inside that one. Great deal on these. These are the 4x6 Baby Girl cards, and these are nice for albums because it gives you the months already done, so you can just tuck these in each page. That's great. Here's one that's open, so we could just do a quick flip through. They're double-sided. And they don't all only have to be used for baby. So we have first year, watching you grow, documented, welcome. These are so fun. Firsts, and then we have the months. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that's great. All 12 months are here. That makes making an album super easy. We have another one of the girls. That was a great deal for that price. Super happy with that. This one, I had 2 of these. It was $2 per bag, but one of them I opened to get some punches out that I sent someone, and this is what was left in this one. We have Winnie the Pooh washi tape, which is great for the Winnie the Pooh book that I just purchased. Be adding them to my Disney. We have some Iron Man stickers. I wouldn't use these. Pass those along. We have this Creative Memories corner rounder, so I'll be adding that to my stash. And a hole punch, which I already own, so I'll be passing that along as well. And lastly, we have this pack of paper pads. It was $13, so half of that. I still thought it was a good deal. Let's take a look at what's inside. So $6.50 for, we have, let's see, the Harvest, and this is from scrapbook.com. 5 sheets of each. I've never had these paper pads before. These are really nice. I love those spider webs in the light orange. They're double-sided, which is amazing. Perfect for envelopes. These are fall colors. That's really nice. Flowers, some trees, really good quality. I love these minty greens. I love that. Really happy with that collection. This is, looks like the same book. This is Christmas. Do a flip through of this one. Again, double-sided. Nice quality. Oh, look at those Santas. So cute. This is going to be hard to use. I love those trees. There's lots of the same sheets. Look at those cute cars. What is it? 5 sheets of each pattern. So you could still use it and still have some to hoard. I love that. These were just about $2 and a little bit each. This is Peppermint, another Christmas one. Love this one as well already. You could just tell it's such a great quality. Look at the bows. Those are awesome. So what, for just about $2 each, that's a great price. That's my haul for today. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys!